In British Columbia right now, we're facing some unprecedented financial challenges in the post-secondary sector. We're also facing a period where both in BC and in Canada, we're talking about growing the economy quite ambitiously. And CredX is a fantastic forum to have that conversation with thought leaders to really drive a bit of an incubation process.
We bring together government, industry partners, and educators to have a whole conversation around what's next in credential recognition. How can we better support industry? How can we help develop the workforce of tomorrow? But most importantly, we bring everybody together to start looking at what are the questions we're trying to answer, how can we synthesize those thoughts, and to think about what's next.
What I gathered from last year was that all of us work in silos, and coming here opened my eyes about the quality of the connections that we were making. And then coming back this year, I do see that has evolved. The quality of those conversations has evolved to the next level.
Moments like CredX allow us to actually put our money where our mouth is and start breaking down those barriers.
So that we can take those actions back to our respective cities, institutions.
Where, people are connected and collaborating to solve a problem or many problems together.